Everybody, this is Nora, and today I have for you a review on my very first Polygel product. Check it out, guys. Now this one is Gelike by Easy Cosmetics, and this one is clear, okay? And I have already played and tested out this Polygel, and being my first time playing with any type of polygel, wanted to test it out and see what it was going to be like, and I can testify to this truly being a legitimate polygel, and it really is a good clear formula. Okay, I went on and checking out other video reviews on it and from other professionals that have used it, and they do have really good reviews and feedback about this polygel. Why am I having problems with that word? But for being my very first one, I'm very happy to have received this one, that it has gotten very good feedback. And so as far as me playing with it and getting used to it, it has taken a bit of a learning curve and picking up that skill. But yes, I was very happy to receive this for review. So you guys will see me. I'm going to do an overlay on my natural nails here, that I will be applying this over a easy peel base coat, okay, because it is a permanent application for an overlay or even extending nails. Now I will not be extending my own nails, obviously, so in my demonstration I'm only going to show how to work with it for an overlay. And yeah, this thing, it does not go anywhere, so I found it pretty easy to work with, and I'm not going to squeeze it all out just yet. And then I just use alcohol rather than a slip solution, and they also included the tool to work with, which is, it has a spatula on this end, which is how you will either just remove it from the tube or apply it on the nail, as well as this brush. So this is on the other end, and this was protected by a little tube here, but since I've already used this before, and I love this brush. It's very flat. There you can see the profile, very soft, and it's nice that it has a cap here. The one thing that I will say on me working with this, and again, I don't know if it was for me, because I was picking up the product with the spatula, and when I turn this around, I couldn't help but almost being a little bit messy on getting the product on my hands, so I was wearing gloves. And they also provided me with the base coat and top coat. The nice no wipe top coat is nice for finishing with a nice glossy top or nice glossy finish if you're just going to use this as an overlay and keep a natural look. And this product is available, it's actually available on eBay, and I will have the link down in the description bar below. So if you guys have any questions, please feel free to leave them below, and I'll be happy to answer. Now I will go ahead and leave you with a demonstration on how to use this product. I hope you guys enjoy. Okay guys, so there you saw my very first time doing this application on my own natural nail. Not too bad, huh? I really like working with this. It does, like I said, it does take a learning curve, but in this being a polygel, it has no scent, no smell coming off of it at all whatsoever. And following other tutorials, and you saw how as the product was starting to stick to the bristles of my brush, I went ahead and got it a little wet with alcohol that I have on the side. You definitely want to have some alcohol on the side. I have not cured this, okay? And I have seen where you notice how I was starting to have a little bit of excess product towards the tip of the nail. I have seen where other users suggest then picking up that product and then moving on to the other nail. I did not do that because I did not have very much, okay? And I probably going on to the next one, well, it is a larger nail, but probably could use a tiny less product there for here. And I have worked when I was practicing using this. It does buff and file super easy. It's so soft, and I cannot compare this product with other polygels. As I mentioned on the beginning of my video, this is my very first time working with any polygel at all, but my comparison will be in how does it compare with builder gel, a hard gel, soak off builder gel, and a hard gel. Okay, I have worked with builder gels, and I am liking this much better when it comes to, I did find it, I don't know why, but it is softer to buff and file than a builder gel. It really was. Okay, so I'm going to move on and working with the rest of the nails, and I will go ahead and speed up through that and then come back and meet you at the end. Alright guys, before I am curing these, I'm gonna go ahead, I want to show you the profile on both nails. Okay, this is after application on both nails. The second one I felt a little bit more comfortable in doing a better placement of the polygel around my cuticle, remembering from what I have learned from other videos on pressing the product more towards the around the cuticle first. So yes, that's what I was doing, just pressing that product right around the cuticle, making it as close to my natural nail as possible, and then doing the patting and stretching towards the tip. Alright guys, here are my nails out of the lamp. I did a full manicure. I'm going to go ahead and buff them, but as you can see, I'm trying to show you the profile on these. See if I can put them against something black, okay? Take a look and see. So this one needs a little bit of buffing right there, where I slightly put a bit too much product right over here, and if you can tell. But yes, and let me see if I can show you the profile. It's pretty thin, kept them pretty thin. So I'm going to go ahead and buff these. So here's the final result after final cleanup and application of my top coat and cure. That top coat, it does clear, it does cure in 30 seconds in my LED lamp and with no white tacky layer, which is nice. And so here's the final look with just a natural look, and my natural nails enforced with a polygel for a gel overlay, or yeah, that's an overlay, which is really great. And yes, I can say overall I do like the product. I did like working with it. Like I said, it's going to take a little bit of a learning curve, just like the powders and everything else I use for the very first time. How does it compare to builder gel as far as learning it? Way easier, yes, than using builder gel for the very first time, trust me. Yes, it's great that it's really easy to apply and keeping it in place, not overloading, flooding your cuticles, and then spreading it and not going anywhere until you cure it. And a very thin application. I mean, you can control how thick of an application you want in there, especially towards the tips. You always want that natural feel, right? So yes, I would like to thank Easy Cosmetics for sending me this product to play with and review. If you guys have any questions, leave them below and I'll be happy to answer. Remember that I will have the link to their store on eBay down in the description bar below. So if you guys enjoyed my video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.